And so here we are. Time for my yearly January-February mental breakdown. Just kidding. Kind of, not really. Here we are in what looks to be a dilapidated, abandoned building. We've been working so hard on this and, oh man, it's not cheap. It's very expensive, obviously, to renovate. We put so much effort into this place and time. And then with the whole family things that we've been having a little bit behind the scenes, it's just been really, really draining. Trying to upkeep everything else while also working so hard on something like this, as I'm sure you can imagine. Renovations alone are incredibly stressful and time consuming and expensive and all of that stuff. So, chuck everything else in the mix and we have been struggling with that too. Not an excuse, but we've been struggling with that too. I've got paint and crust on my hands. Welcome to the job site, am I right? I'll be honest with you and say that I have been having a bit of an identity crisis with what I want this channel to be. I've been doing a lot of soul searching about that over the past couple of months, this year actually, and a little bit more on that later on. So stick around to hear my thoughts on that. Content lately has changed so much. AI is so damaging. I do genuinely believe you'll see a lot of your favorite creators drop off soon because it's just ruining creators and creativity in general. And we'll make a good title and thumbnail and then a second later all these AI slop has just taken it, and it does take traffic away. It does actually affect videos and creators more so than in views, but not only views but also in sponsorships. We're just gonna have a heart-to-heart here. This is if you want to grab some popcorn, grab a coffee with me, come sit and we're gonna chat, because if you have ever wanted to get something from the sponsors that I've had this year, so I'm talking more so about the last video, the divorce on the main channel, and then also the next one that's coming out, Tonga, on the main channel, those two in particular. If you've ever wanted that, it's AG1 and BetterHelp. If you've ever wanted those, now is the time to get them, and hopefully using my link and my code. Yeah, if you've ever wanted to use any of the services or products that I have had on my main channel this year, now is the time. And if you want to use my link and my code, that would be great. And even if you don't want to, just literally clicking through the link and putting stuff in your cart and not even checking out, but looking around on the website. Obviously that's not ideal, but like for conversions and stuff, usually it's on conversions, but it shows that the people who are watching my videos are actually interested in the product and they're going to look, and you can see how many clicks, a sponsored link has got and all of those things. And the more of them that I have, the more the better it is obviously for those brands, and those brands are currently what's making my main channel videos viable. So even if you don't want to buy, pop on, click through my link, have a look around, put stuff in your cart. You don't even have to check out. At the very least, that really, really helps. I am just so happy for your support and your care. Genuinely, Michael and I sit, especially over the last few months when I've been kind of MIA and kind of dealing with everything. But Michael and I will just talk to each other, and when we see reoccurring names pop up or people who usually always comment and we recognize that name, we'll be if they haven't commented in a while, we'll be where's so-and-so, or where's I don't know, Grey Cat 98. Not a real name, but you know what I mean? I haven't heard from them in a while if we recognize the username and we haven't seen them. I'm just so happy and so grateful for your support and your care and all of those things. So thank you so much. That is genuinely one of the most rewarding parts and about doing this, is just knowing that there is some kind of connection there. And it is something that I've been missing over the last few months. I miss you guys. I'm a weird person in the sense that when something's wrong, my first thought isn't to pick up, or if I don't feel amazing, my first thought isn't to pick up a camera and, record it. Not so much that I only record good things, because you guys see me in crap moods, yelling, mad, upset, sad, stressed. You guys see me, all of those things. But when it's super, super deep, losing Cappy and all those things, I just shut off and I become a little hermit. And yeah, that doesn't obviously help making content, but that's just how I am. Just say hello. See my little jumper here? I absolutely love it. It's the crew neck, in case you're wondering. It is so comfy. We've had a weird cold snap here well, I'm in Newcastle, but in Sydney, in Australia, we've had such a weird cold snap, and I am wearing my crew neck. Usually it's too hot to wear it here, but we've had this cold snap and I get to wear my crew neck today and it is so comfortable. And I'm just absolutely loving seeing you guys wear it. A few people have sent through photos in the Discord, which I love to see. So if you do have anything from Just Say Hello and you want to post it in the Discord to show everyone, please do. I love that. It makes me so happy seeing you wear Just Say Hello. So we've done the initial soft launch. We've looked at the processes and how everything works with shipping and all of that. And now we're looking at improving it before we hard launch and like hit the socials for Just Say Hello too. We haven't put anything on there yet, but we've got some really cool stuff coming up and we want to make a really cool content, including the like process of Just Say Hello. I know that I was so interested in how other people do businesses because I have no idea how to do a business. I still freaking don't, but I'm trying my best. But we're examining all of those things before we full hard launch. So after we do hard launch, I don't know if you know, if you have purchased Just Say Hello, we do a thank you video for everyone and we're doing that for as long as humanly possible. So which once we hard launch, I'm not sure how many we'll be able to do, but now's the time to get anything from Just Say Hello if you'd like it, because I can give you I have the time to give you like a personalized thank you video, which goes to your email. Check your spam if you haven't got yours and you've purchased, because we've done every single order so far. By the way, Aussies, so sorry about the shipping. At the moment, you know, America and the UK and Europe, everything, they get the products quite quickly. But at the moment we ship from the US, tariffs and all those things. I can go into this in more detail if you want to. So leave a comment that you want to know more about the process. But as of right now, Australians get shipped from the US, which can take a while. And because of costs and all that, that's just how we've set it up to start. But I will say, we order everything from the site to see how the process goes for the customer. We ordered 4 products. 3 of them came here. I think it was like within, hold on, when was it? Let me just see. Yeah, 3 of the items came within about a week, and then the last one took half the estimated time. So it took probably like 2.5, 3 weeks. So it's not always as long as it says it's going to be, but it can be longer. And as an Australian myself, I know that that's frustrating. But financially, it's all we could kind of set up at the time. We are looking at changing that. The ultimate goal is to have Australia and New Zealand fulfilled from here, but that takes incredible scale and we're not there yet. So hopefully as soon as possible, and hopefully one day. And once we can, we will, obviously. Look, right now, a lot of people are asking, or not a lot of people, but a few people have asked for colors. It's definitely happening. Right now, this is the basics. We've just launched with the basics. We didn't want to overwhelm you with choice, and Michael and I always wear black, so we just did a basic line. In the future, we will have drops, different designs and different colors. As of right now, it's just basic. So if you are holding out for some colors, they are coming, just not quite yet. So if you want to pick up a basic in the meantime, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, okay. Content plans. I really need to be introspective about what this channel is and what it's going to be. Last year, 2025, I did 2 videos a week. And, you know, while that's good, it just sometimes means that we're rushed to film a video. It's not great. It's rushed. I have to put it up and it's not always what we want to film, but we have to get a video up. I don't want to do that. Honestly, I do need to be, I'm going to burp. Sorry, I do need to be strategic for the reasons mentioned earlier about content and needing, you know, the AI and the whatever. I just really do need to be strategic moving forward. Short form is going crazy now. They're finally funding creators, and for a whole bunch of reasons, I've never really focused on it. I focused on this channel and my main channel. If you are new here, which I don't think that you are, because I'm not sure why you'd click on a video of this, you know, title and thumbnail if you don't know me. But if you did, hi, I'm Josie. I have a main channel. It has over 1.1 million subscribers, and that's kind of what we talk about on this channel because it's like more of the behind the scenes. But yeah, short form is just becoming so lucrative for creators. There are so many creators smaller than me that get more money than me on short form simply because they post just casually. I mean, I know that I never focus on it. I focus on this channel, my main channel, and YouTube. And now short form is just finally funding people. And I know people who fund their entire content just off short form. Obviously, like we are such a small team. I know people with the size of my channel, over 1 million. Most people have over 10 people working on that channel. This one's me and Michael. I have an editor So that's 3 people. And for a channel that size, it's pretty much like unheard of, honestly. Like it's crazy. Everyone else that I know with a channel that size has a team of like 10 at a minimum. So it is really hard. We're kind of deciding I really want to keep that as low like team as possible, because then I feel like I'm still connected to the content, and I still am. Like, we say we have an editor, and usually before I got an editor, that means that I film everything and pass it on to them, and that's it. That's quite literally not it. We still write everything. We still watch the video every single day. My editor gives me an update daily, and we rewatch it. We tweak things. We decide what gets put in it. I lay the timeline for the most of it, so I decide anyway, I digress. It's usually a really big team. We still have such hands-on on that, and I think I want to keep it that way, but there is another side of it that, like, if I spent less time on that, I could spend more time on short form and all of these things. It's just, I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and we're just not sure whether we want to grow that or find like a happy medium or something. I just don't know. Anyway, I just need to be strategic about the opportunities across all platforms. Doing that means like focusing more on short form and everything means that I have more funding, which means the videos here can be cooler. We can travel, we can do some more things. We can set up entire series just for this channel. But for right now, the funding isn't there. Like, I fund everything, I pay for everything, and it's just not there yet to do that just here, if that makes sense. Like, I do pretty well on the main channel, I'm not gonna lie, but like everything that I use, I put back into the videos. Like everything I make, from them, I put back into the videos, basically. And it's just like, if I opened my door of short form and I did that and I spent time on that, like there would be more money, which means I can do more cooler things. That doesn't make grammatical sense, but more cooler things. And I just think that just needs to happen. No, I'm almost out of coffee. So, long story short, I'm going to be focusing more on all platforms, and that means that the schedule on this channel, it has to change. And I'm sorry to kind of come back and then say, the schedule's changing. I understand that that's annoying, and yes, I get it, but I just have to literally do what's best, because if I don't find a way to make more funding, then obviously like I can't do this, and then there'll be 0 content. So, which you probably want, but I love my job. I love doing this stuff, so I don't want it. In the past, like I said, we did 2 videos a week here, and like while I wasn't doing anything for short form, so I had the time to do that. But going forward, I'm going to need to spread my time over short form and over here and over on the main channel. I need to spread it out a little bit more evenly. So going forward, that means 1 video a week is sustainable on this channel for me. Right now, it might change by the end of the year, who knows, but right now sustainability for me means 1 video a week on here. Now, the way that Michael and I have discussed it is that we are probably going to do every Sunday there's a video. So every Sunday, like America time, but Australia, New Zealand is like early Monday morning. But every Sunday there's a video from me. Now, 3 weekends a month basically is going to be, the Sunday video will be here. I got to burp again. I'm sorry. And the one other weekend, the video is going to be on the main channel. So every Sunday there'll be a video. Whether if you wake up and it's not here, it's probably going to be on the main channel. Which, by the way, I forgot to warn you, tell you to go and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave it linked in the description bar below. But there's 1 video a month on a Sunday going up there. Every other Sunday there'll be a video here. The schedule on the other ones, on the short form, I'm playing around with that. I'll leave my short form like TikTok, Instagram, all of that stuff linked in the description bar below, so you can go follow them if you have them. And by the way, this is so random because I never did this, but I just got monetized on Facebook as well. Which sounds really weird to say in 2026, but like they are trying really hard to get creators over there. So I'll be posting over there as well. I'll leave that in the description bar also, which basically means if you're really keen, there'll be a video basically anywhere, like regularly. And then these videos will be every single Sunday. Then videos on YouTube will be every single Sunday, just depending on what channel. I am so excited for 2026. Like this time last year, I was crying on the balcony in Casablanca. I made a video, actually not too different from this one. Just so upset about, I was thinking of quitting YouTube. And like, while it wasn't perfect, I'm so happy about what we did last year. Like with the main channel, with this channel, Michael and I worked so hard last year and we had a massive 2025. Like, we attracted some big videos. We got some big sponsors. We've been really getting some amazing comments, like from you guys. I'm not sure if you're across both channels, but here and there, I've been getting some really lovely comments. And what was that noise? Did you guys hear that? We launched Just Say Hello. We soft launch our creators coaching, and more on that later or at another time. I'm not sure. We help creators now. There's a link in the description bar if you're a creator and you need help. But like, we soft launched those things, and we ticked off some massive like personal achievement, like bucket list items too, and more on that later. But we also had some hard times, and you're a part of all of that. Sorry, I can't sit down anymore. I'm too old. It kind of hurts. And this year was the big tipping point. Like, this has never happened before, but this time when I've come home, every single time I go to like Woolies or Coles or something like that, someone stops me and says hello. Funnily enough, just say hello, and says hello. And it was just the big tipping point this year. And I'm just so happy to like run into you guys in the shops. That's crazy for me. Like, genuinely crazy. I can't believe that even happens. To little old me. I'm just a little YouTuber. I don't know. I'm just me, and I just make videos, and like, it still blows my mind. Like, so thank you so much, and thank you for anyone who's left a nice comment. And I know that a lot of you are like, well, I don't have Facebook, or I don't have TikTok, I don't have Instagram. All you can do is watch me here, and that's totally fine. Obviously, I just want to let you know that if you do have the other platforms and you don't follow me there, subscribe or follow, whatever the button is on the various platforms, because I'm going to be posting a lot more over there. And if you want to see more of me, I'm going to be spread across all of them more this year in 2026. So sorry for not posting. Honestly, I miss Cappy so much. Oh God, I thought I was past this. Oh my God, I thought I was past crying. I thought I was past the point of crying when I thought about it. I guess not. If you guys don't know who Cappy is, it's Michael's dog. Actually, I lived with him here before we went to travel. Actually, this is getting worse. Oh no. I lived with him here before we traveled, and I think every time I'm in this house, it gets like worse, because like, there is where he peed on my rug, and I was so mad at him. Am I laughing or crying? I don't know. I was so mad at him for peeing on my rug, and now he's gone. Sorry, I thought I was together. Oh God. Okay, sorry, I thought I was past sort of crying when I thought about him, but I guess not. But we are so ready to grow this, and I'm so ready for 2026. And you guys are a part of that. You guys are here, so if you can forgive me for my absence, I promise I'll make it up to you. Sorry. If you haven't checked out Just Say Hello yet, I highly recommend this crew. It is so comfortable. I love it. I'm going to take it with me and wear it everywhere. We are just fixing up the website. We're adding a few extra things and colors and all that stuff. And we are going to sort them into men's and women's if we haven't already. If you're going to go on the website, it's probably already done. But yeah, there's a few more things that I would like just for women. Anyway, if you can forgive me for my absence, I promise I'll make it up to you. That's the update. As you can see, I'm still not 100% there after. Oh, I miss him. So if I'm like this 3 months later, I'm sure you can imagine what I was like a month or 2 months ago. So, yeah, I've needed a break, and yeah, but, yeah, so thank you so much. I won't drag it on anymore, but this has been good, and this is where we've been doing this as well, which if you want to see some more updates on this, let me know, because I would love to show you a little bit more of this, but we also have to work fast and get it done really quickly because we don't have much time to finish this whole house off. So yeah, there's that. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Leave any comments or any questions down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you and the best I can and answer any things that you have. I might even put a schedule in the pinned comment or something like that. Anyway, bye. Thank you. Oh God, I'm gonna cry.